Hello everybody, in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can put your iPhone 14 series device in the recovery mode. Alrighty, to begin with, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the computer through the lightning cable, obviously. Then you gotta lock the screen for your convenience. It's not necessary, but it will be way more convenient. Then quickly tap and release volume up key, volume button key, and long press the side power button and keep it pressed until you will actually enter the recovery mode. So we're still holding the key right now, waiting until we first see the Apple logo like that, but we do not release our finger just yet. Simply wait until this screen appears. And now you can release your finger, and well, this little page, this little images mean that you have successfully entered the recovery mode. On the other hand, if you would like to get back to using the phone normally or exit it or whatever, just hold the side power button once again until the reboot process will start. Now you can release it, and very soon, as you can see, this Apple logo appears, which basically tells us that the phone is being restarted, and after that you can just continue to use it as normal. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.